Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to stop someone adding me in WhatsApp group. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your WhatsApp, and once you're inside there, here what you need to do is, if you are on your chat section, here what you need to do is simply tap on the settings icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on settings, here you'll be sent to your settings option. Now among the options, you'll be seeing the option that says privacy. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside your privacy, here you'll find the option that says groups, right? Simply tap on that. Now in order to stop anyone from adding you to a group, what you need to do is just simply select my contact, or you can select my contacts accept. So you can select this one and you can select the contact, and that selected contact will be able to add you in a group, but others won't. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.